Good morning, first grade. This morning we are going to take our spelling test for the week using the video again. This will be for week 19. And if you remember, our pattern this week is SH, which says sh. SH says sh. So I'll do the same thing. I think I figured out how to load the video so you are able to pause and rewind if you need to, and I will highlight the number that we are on. So go ahead and get started. All right, number one, oh, not the highlighter, 1 second, sorry about that. Okay, number one will be shock, shock. They were in shock by the surprise ending of the movie. Shock, shock. Number one more time, was shock. Number two is shut, shut. Can you please shut the window? It is getting cold. Shut. Number two again was shut. All right, moving on to number three. Number three is brush, brush. I have to brush my hair. Brush. That's number three. Okay. Number three, one more time, was brush. Number four is shop, shop. We went to the grocery store to shop over the weekend. Shop, shop. Number four, one more time, shop. Okay, number five number five is fish, fish. We have a fish in our aquarium. Fish. Fish. Number five, one more time, fish. All right, number six is the word fresh. There is fresh fruit in the refrigerator. Fresh. Fresh. Okay, and 1 through 6, just quickly. Number one is shock. Number two is shut. Number three is brush. Number four is shop. Number five is fish. And number six is fresh. All right, very good. Number seven, moving on to number seven. Number seven is shift, shift. Sometimes in word building, we have to shift a letter down or over. Shift, shift. Number seven, one more time, shift. All right, number eight. Number eight is dish, dish. I put my dish in the sink. Dish, dish. Number eight, one more time, was dish. All right. Number nine, rush, rush. I slept in, so I had to rush to be on time. Rush. Rush. Number nine is rush. Okay. Number 10 is shed. Shed. They keep the tools in the shed. 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 Number 10, one more time, shed. All right, moving on to number 11. Number 11 is wish. Wish. W-ish. Wish. Did you make a wish when you blew out the candles? Wish. Wish. All right, and number 12 is splash. Splash. It is fun to splash in the pool. And listen for all the sounds in this one. S-p-l-a-sh. Splash. Number 12 again is splash. Okay, the numbers 7 through 12 as a quick review. Number 7 was shift. Number 8 is dish. Number 9 is rush. Number 10 is shed. Number 11 is wish. And number 12 is splash. All right, moving on to our high frequency words. Number 1 of the high frequency words is where. Where? Where is your favorite place to visit? Where? Where? Okay, number 2 on the high frequency words is told. Told. I told them where they could find the books. Told. 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 Okay, number 3 of the high frequency words is family. Family. We called our family that lives out of state. Family. Family. And number 4 of our high frequency words is very. Very. You have been working very hard. Very. Okay. Great job. The high frequency words, just one more time. Number 1 is where. Number 2 is told. Number 3 is family. Number 4 is very. All right, on to our sentence. So our sentence today, rush to get the brush from the shelf. So just listen again. Rush to get the brush from the shelf. Okay, and I'll say that again. Say that with me. Rush to get the brush from the shelf. And I'll just do the first part. Rush to get the brush. Rush to get the brush from the shelf. Rush to get the brush from the shelf. Great job. I will say the sentence one more time and then we are all finished. Rush to get the brush from the shelf. All right, great job. You can take a quick picture and send this in, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Thank you.